गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। हम किसी के भरोसे नहीं रहते, अपने दम पर आग लगा देंगे और तुम कहते हो झुकने को, मंजिल उठाकर ले आएंगे। फ्रेंड्स, with this encouragement, today I have brought an important rearrangement for you. Wolf rearrangement, that is also called and start synthesis. We will again underline it later. But first of all, we will focus Wolf rearrangement. This rearrangement also involves electron deficient carbon. In this time, we are discussing the rearrangement involving electron deficient carbon. It may be carbocation, it may be carbene. Okay. Conversion of alpha diazoketone into highly reactive ketene in presence of solid silver oxide is known as Wolf rearrangement. It is alpha diazoketone. It is ketone, and with respect to this, it is alpha carbon and it is diazo. So it is called alpha diazoketone. In presence of silver oxide, it converts into ketene. Friends, it is ketene. When this reaction is carried out in presence of water, this bond will break, H will come here, OH will come here, and you will get carboxylic acid. If this reaction is carried out in presence of alcohol, this bond will break, H will come here, alkoxy group will come here, and you will get ester. When the reaction is carried out in presence of ammonia, H will come here, amino group will come here, leading to amide. If reaction is carried out in presence of primary amine, H will come here and NHR dash will come here, leading to substituted amide. Okay? Now we will discuss the mechanism of Wolff-Kishner rearrangement. Okay. First of all, let us write this R C double bond O CH it is alpha diazoketone. Due to this positive charge, this bond will break in this fashion. With elimination of nitrogen gas, you will get this. It is what is this? Carbene. This carbon has 6 electrons, 2, 2, 2. 6 electrons. Therefore, it is carbene, and this carbon is so electron deficient. Now, it will come here and the R group with its electron will come here. Actually, this step is the rearrangement step. Okay, and then you will find CHR. It is ketene, highly reactive. This is the actually mechanism of Wolff rearrangement, and it is now very simple to explain that when the reaction is carried out in presence of water, you will get carboxylic acid, and you can carry out this reaction in presence of different solvents leading to different product. Now we will see its application. Application. Conversion of one carboxylic acid into its higher homologue is very important, and which is called Arndt-Start synthesis or Arndt-Start reaction rearrangement. Okay? Suppose it is carboxylic acid, it is allowed to react with thionyl chloride, you will get acid chloride, and when it is treated with diazomethane, you will get alpha diazoketone, and when it is allowed to react with solid silver oxide, and in presence of, first of all, write it is in presence of, direct you can write in presence of water, you will get carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay? It is carboxylic acid and it is also carboxylic acid. And these two are two different carboxylic acid. And what is difference? Actually, it is higher homologue of this carboxylic acid. So, conversion of one carboxylic acid into its higher homologue is known as Arndt-Start synthesis, and it also involves here Wolff rearrangement. So, somehow we also say that Wolff rearrangement and Arndt-Start synthesis both are same. And second application in this fashion you can show, suppose it is orthonitro carboxylic acid, and in the similar fashion you can get such carboxylic acid. It is also Arndt-Start synthesis. It is carboxylic group, it is carboxylic group, and actually it is higher homologue of this. Okay friends, it is all about Wolff rearrangement and Arndt-Start synthesis. Wolff rearrangement is actually, it involves electron deficient carbon. Here previously we have discussed so many rearrangement like Pinacol rearrangement, Wagner-Mervin rearrangement, Wolff rearrangement, Demjanov rearrangement. All these rearrangements involve electron deficient carbon, whether in form of carbocation or carbene. In Wagner-Mervin, carbon skeleton is changed. Carbon skeleton is changed, and in Wolff rearrangement, diazooketone, alpha diazooketone is changed into carbene. Okay friends, hope you have understood this rearrangement very well, and you will must like, you will must share, and the person who has not subscribed to my channel Chemistry King, please subscribe and also comment about the video so that I may be encouraged, and consequently we can bring more and more videos for you. Thank you very much.